Hi, Matt from REAX here. Like many SMEs, we use an online and outsourced HR system, which is fantastic in many ways, especially when onboarding new members of the team. Recently, I came across an online training for ladders and steps, and it struck me there can be no substitute for getting practical on this particular subject. Here's our Andy to tell you the difference it can make to have an instructor-led experience.
Thanks, Matt. Hiya, I'm Andy, and as Matt said, I'm one of the lead instructors here. Now then, the reality is, online training, does it have a value in certain places? Yeah, it does, but we all know what happens with it, yeah? People turn it into a tick box exercise, don't they? They just start clicking the slides and we're done. The other reality is, with online training versus instructor-led training, yeah, is that confidence building thing, the ability to actually get on kit and have a play and solve somebody's actual acute problem. And you'd be amazed the amount of questions I get on a course, even as something as simple as ladders and steps, where people are like, can I do this? Can I do that? What angle does it go at? What happens if I'm on grass? What happens if I'm on concrete? Well, this specific job we've got, and the list goes on. The reality is those questions do not get answered simply by clicking through the next 40 slides, yeah? And the other thing, I will say it again, and I mean this, is the confidence it builds. When people can practically have a go at something, they come out of here going, yeah, I've got it. As opposed to going, did you do the training course? Yeah, I did the course. What do you remember? Nothing. Because let's be honest about it, and if they're doing it at home, they put the laundry on, yeah, put food in the oven, we all know the drill. So, in my opinion, for work at height, if not the highest risk thing we've got going on in industry, falls from height still the biggest killer, yeah? Why risk it? It's not worth it. Get people in on an instructor-led program and we'll help you with the acute problem for your business.
Thanks, Andy. At REAX, we believe an instructor-led experience can really enhance your knowledge retention, especially in a practical area like ladders and steps. If you would like to be part of the first ever Ladders and Steps course here at REAX, we're offering 12 free places to the first 12 people that apply. Or maybe you want to apply for all 12 places for your company. If you email us at info@reaxltd.com, the first 12 hands up will get a free place. All you need to be able to do is come to our centre here in Blackpool and be willing to go on camera to share your experience with the rest of the world. We look forward to hearing from you.